Hi guys, so I've had this tent here. I believe it's called Peregrine or Peregrine. The Ramada 3. I've had this for several years, maybe 4 years, and it's been on several campouts. Worked out very well for us. But with family getting a bit bigger, we just picked up the Radama 4. It was on sale, picked up off eBay for $170. So, same thing, just slightly bigger. The 3, I believe, is 79 inches by 90 inches, and the 4 is 109 inches by 90 inches. So, one side is the same, and the other side is 30 inches bigger. Should give us some room to expand with our growing family. So we're going to put this together in the living room here, or the playroom, and we'll see what it looks like. Hi guys, well I am in the tent now, and where I'm looking there should be a gear loft. So I've contacted Amazon and we'll see if they actually have one to send, or we may be sending the tent back, or maybe we'll get a slight refund to cover the cost of the gear loft. I'm not certain how much that costs to buy direct, or if you can, but we'll see what happens. I'll get back to you later. Hey guys, I'm a little behind on posting videos, but just wanted to give a heads up. I contacted the company. They did send a replacement loft, or actually in this case a loft, since I didn't have one to begin with. And we have actually used the Radama 4 on a 2-night campout in Pennsylvania in the Allegheny National Forest, and a 4-night campout at Twin Falls State Park in West Virginia. Worked out great for both trips. This is the first time using an air mattress, for myself at least, and the 2 air mattresses fit in there perfect, and great tent. I definitely recommend it. I believe Peregrine, however you say it, I believe they still make the 1, 2, 3, and possibly the 6-person, but they no longer make the 4-person tent. I have quite a bit of camping in the 3-person tent, and these 2 campouts in the 4-person tent. I would recommend either of those, and probably any of the Radamas. So, thanks for watching.